Welcome back, freelancers. This is Zahin. Today is a very important topic. I will guide you on how to build an approved profile on Upwork as a content writer or a similar role. If your profile got rejected lately, don't you worry, I will help you in the approval process. Please note this is just a preliminary process to get your profile approved. And my next session, which is even more important, will be about how exactly to build a stunning profile on Upwork or any other platform which is catchy and impressive to the clients. Let me give you some background. Due to a lot of freelancers and competition in the market, Upwork wants to make sure that they only accept freelancers through their platform who can provide quality work to the clients provided there is sufficient demand for your skills and experience. Having said that, still if you build a great profile, there is no reason for them to reject it. I also observed in some of the Facebook groups that people were charging money to get your profile approved. You do not have to pay to anyone to get your profile approved. Just follow the simple instructions and you will get your profile approved like this in 5 seconds. So let's begin with the approval process. In order to create a new account, just click sign up on the top right corner and it will redirect you to this page, and here you could either provide your work email. If not, just click continue with Google. And now it will ask you to select your country and whether do you want to work as a freelancer or as a client. So here, so this person, my student, is from Lahore, Pakistan. I'm gonna select Pakistan and select work as freelancer. And if you want to receive some useful emails, click this one and then click the terms and conditions and then create my account. And now it will ask you to verify your email address to proceed, and go to your inbox and verify the email address, and then it will take you to the next step. Since I'm creating the account on behalf of a freelancer, so I will not be disclosing his name to protect his privacy. And in this area, we have to mention the expertise and the skill set. So from this drop-down menu, select writing since he wants to become a content writer. You could select academic writing and research, editing and proofreading, and article and blog writing and creative writing. Just make sure you select at least 3 categories. And in the last area, we have to mention what skills do you offer to clients. So the first one should be SEO because this is the major skill set that you need. And then you could also select SEO keyword research, and then you could select SEO on-page optimization, and then you could also select SEO off-page optimization, and then we can also like select content editing, and also editing and proofreading would also be good. And this is optional if you could select Yoast SEO since it is a plugin for WordPress, but make sure you select at least 4 skills. And now it asks you to mention or highlight the expertise level and entry, intermediate, and expert. So here just select intermediate, that's good enough, and then next. And now it asks for the education. I've already filled in the information for the education of this candidate. And first you just need to select the school, select it, and the area and the degree. And in the description area, just make sure you enter at least 2 to 3 lines and describe the main focus of your degree. Don't leave it empty. Click Save and Next. If you're employed, enter your employment history and move to the next one. And here it asks you to select the language. What is your English proficiency? Here you could select Fluent, and if you speak Urdu or Hindi, select that language and then select native or bilingual, and then click Next. And then it will ask you about the hourly rate that you want to charge to the client, and $10 per hour is good enough to begin with, and it will help you in getting the profile approved. Now next, it comes to title and overview. And you could mention the basic title, SEO blog writer. Just mention the basic information about who you are and what exactly services you are providing. And now you have to select the location where you are based. and now add your phone number. So when you submit your profile for review, it could take about 10 to 60 minutes for them to review it. And here we go. Congratulations, you are now part of Upwork. So you see, it is that simple to get your profile approved. You just need to follow the basic and simple steps. I hope this information helps you in getting your profile approved. But still, if you are having any issues, do not hesitate to contact me and simply comment with your problem, and I will get in touch with you and guide you all the way. This concludes the session, and my next session will be about how to build an impressive profile on the freelance platforms, focusing on project title, description, and the portfolio. If you find this information useful, then do like the video as a token of appreciation and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any of those important sessions that could potentially change your life. Stay motivated, keep working hard. I want you guys to succeed. Until next time, take care.